Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to edit the footer section in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website you want to edit its footer, simply click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and to edit the footer section, it's simple. Scroll down to the footer and select the section first. Then click on edit section. From here, you can select the section background. You can use a color, an image, or even a video. For the color, you can adjust the background color from this square or this list of colors. You can also use this slider to get those colors. You can also use an image. Let's click first, select image, then click on add image. You can upload an image from your computer or go with free images. Search, for example, for background and you will see those photos. Let's use this photo, for example. Click on add to page, and just like that, your footer background, your footer section background is edited. Now let's see the video. Click on replace video. Let's search for background, and you can go, for example, with this background video. Now I think I will use the image or just the color. Now close this window. The other thing that you can edit is the footer visibility. For example, click on this little eye icon and you can hide this footer section just on this page, which is the home page. You can hide the footer on all pages or show on all pages. I will go with show on all pages. Now the next thing, let's see how to add elements to the footer. I will start deleting those footers, then show you how to add them. First thing you can do is to add your website logo in the footer section. So click on this plus icon or elements, drag and drop this image element like that. Then click on the image, click on edit image. Let's replace this image with our website logo. Click on select. Since my background section is black, I need a white logo. So I will create a white logo. Simply click on your logo in the header. Then click on use AI to create a unique logo. Make sure you are using create yourself and not create with AI. Fill in your website name here. You can even add a slogan. And I will select the font. This font is good for me. Let me just show you the rest of these beautiful fonts. Now let's make my logo text white and hit download. My downloaded file is compressed, so let's decompress it just like that. Now go back to the website builder and go to the image we've added. Click on edit image, replace, upload, and this is my logo. Double click it and click on select. Now as you see, the logo does not show up completely. It's simple. Just go to the style tab and click on reset image proportions. Just like that, my logo was added successfully. Let's resize it just like that. The second thing you can add in your footer is your website's description, like this one. So I will go with elements, add this text element, double click it. Your webs, or first let's make it white. Your slogan here. Let's pick a different text font. I think this one is good, so place it here. Now let's see how to add these social icons. Simply click on elements. Where is the social icons? This is it. Now place them where you want them to be and hit edit social icons. First, I will edit the color of the icons to be white. Here you can delete the social platforms that you don't use, and you can fill in your link here. After that, click on close, and the next thing is this little copyright text. I will copy it like that. Then click on elements. Where is the text element? Double click it and copy or write your copyright thing here. Let's adjust the text size and here you can adjust the footer section height from here. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger Website Builder Masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Here you can adjust the footer section height from here. Let's add a little bit of space and make this text even more smaller. I will go with 10 or 12, 14, I think 13 is good. Now let's see how to add for example, this contact info. Same thing. Click on elements, drag and drop, contact, pick the white color, make the text smaller, for example 16, place it here, duplicate this text element, add your phone number here. Let's make this a little bit smaller or go with regular. Now this contact is bold and the number is, I will duplicate this phone number in order to add the email, name@mail.com. Now let's see how to add these legal pages. Simply add the element, the text element, for example, or instead of this, let's just duplicate this contact element. For example, let's start with the privacy policy. I think this should be a little bit regular or light. Privacy policy, duplicated, terms and conditions, and refund policy. Now let's create those pages. or before that, click on save to save all of those changes. Now let's create those pages. Go to pages, click on add page, then scroll down to privacy policy, select this template, fill in your company name, your website name, and your email address. Hit add page. Now your page is created. Let's add the terms and policy. No, yes, the terms and conditions page. Click on add page, then scroll down to terms and conditions, select, fill in your company name, website name, website address, and email address. Click on add page, and this is your terms and conditions. And let's add the remaining refund policy page. Where is it? This is it. Your email here. Where? No, this is the physical address. For example, 123 NYC. Click on add page, and this is your refund policy. For sure, you need to read those legal pages carefully to not make to avoid mistakes. But before linking those text elements to those pages, first you need to remove them or hide those legal pages from your navigation. It's simple. Go to pages, and next to each page you want to hide, click on these three dots and select hide from navigation. Same thing here, and if you want to unhide those pages, you will find them here and do the opposite, show in navigation. Now let's link those pages. Just double click the text, click on link. This is make sure to select page and select your privacy policy page from here, just like that. Link, terms and conditions, save, refund policy. If you don't find your page here, just start writing it and you will find it. Click on save. Now I think that's all for this footer section. To publish those changes, don't forget to update your website from here, and let's view my website live. And this is how to edit the footer section in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.